Okay. A little bit. Just a little bit longer. Just a few more blocks. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. Whoa. Hey guys, what's up? What are y'all doing? Whatever. I cannot for the life of me act like anything. Yeah, I was trying to well, I actually am playing Minecraft right now, but I was trying to play Minecraft and then casually look over here and then act surprised that you guys are here and then act like I had no idea you guys were here, or you're not technically here, but like that, you know, you're watching me or something. I don't know. And every time I try and do that, it looks horrible. So I do apologize for that. But anyways, what's up YouTube? This is PZSN here. I am yawning, as usual. It's because it's wintertime and I get really tired when it is wintertime. So anyways, yes, I am indeed playing Minecraft. I'm not really playing it though. I'm actually building in creative mode. And I'm actually really thinking about that I might actually end up posting this. I'm working on just sort of an adventure map that there's not really a point to it. There's not really a goal, although I think I know what the ending's going to be. But for the most part, it's just me sort of messing around, seeing what all I can actually accomplish, like using my redstone skills and such like that. And I do apologize for this lighting. My light is getting ridiculous. Like, it's starting to really bother me when it flickers, so I'm kind of just like not having the light on. I am using that lamp that you can see back there instead. And I might be thinking that it's horrible lighting, but that's partially because of the fact that, or it looks bad partly because of the fact that, stop yawning, that my iPod screen is so dim for some reason. Oh crap, this needs to stay charging. Yep, my iPod is about dead, so I plugged it in. Anyways, so I am in fact building an adventure map. I guess I'll show you sort of the current progress of it. I'll just sort of show you what would be a good thing to show you. I don't want to give away too much. Not that I will, but let me see. Here's a pretty cool part because it kind of shows a little bit of everything. This right here is the outside, the outer part of it. As you might be able to see, we've got a little bit. There's the stone realm, right? And here's the iron realm, and then I'm working on the gold realm right now. You can see that's where I am right now. Maybe right there. That's my current my current stopping point right there. So yeah, it's a really amateur map. I mean, like, in terms of the way it works, I guess, it's really amateur. You could say it's pretty straightforward in terms of completing it, literally. Like, this gold realm is actually the first part where there's going to actually be a fork in the path. Pretty much, there's only one path in the entire map right now, and that's what you're following. But in the gold realm, I've got it sort of, I've got the, that giant gold room, or that giant gold section that is right there. I'm going to have that sort of branch off into into 3 different sections. And just because I'm sure you guys, when you're playing this, are going to be sick of going in one linear direction. So yeah, anyways, I don't know when I'm going to actually finish this, because I've been spending several days on it. And yeah, and like I said, it is, again, really amateur-like, but I am actually thinking if I do actually end up finishing it, and if I'm happy with it and satisfied with it, then I shall maybe consider posting it to the internet so people can play it. Be nice to see it on, like, someone play it on video, but I don't know if that's going to happen. But yeah, anyways, something else I wanted to talk about while I'm on the subject of Minecraft, because it was actually someone actually asked me this recently, and I would put a sweater on, but I don't know where a sweater is. So, you're just gonna have to put up with how I am when I'm cold. Because, yeah, I have to put up with being cold, like, and that's even less fun, unless if you're watching. I mean, the only way that could be worse is that if you yourself are cold, and you're watching this video, and you're suffering me being cold, I guess. Anyways, about the Minecraft channel, well, I haven't been posting very many videos to it. The main reason is, and I actually did make a comment about this in the last video that I posted up there, nobody is watching it. Hardly anybody at all. In fact, I'm going to let me actually pause this. I'm going to pull it up. Got my Facebook clicking around here. I'm actually going to pin that, so that way if I do decide to show you guys the screen, it doesn't really show anything. YouTube. Let me just see what is currently going on over at Pizza Mining Crafting, which is also an insanely long username. Okay. Come on. Yeah, so my latest video has 7 views, and it's been up for a month. The video before that actually has 4 views, and it's been up for a month. Video below that has 5 views, 5 views, 5 views, 7 views, 10 views, 20 views, and 34 views. And I think part of the reason is that it's not really the best filming method, because I'm using my camera, and I use short render distance. Although I have officially upgraded to using normal render distance because I discovered what the balanced power saving mode is. It actually keeps the frame rate at a fairly. It's actually, when I'm usually playing Minecraft with it on short render distance and it's on max FPS, I get like over 100 frames per second, and some people when they do it will get like over like several hundred frames per second. But the thing is, you really don't need that, and when you have that many frames per second, in your game, when you actually lag, like even by like a few frames, it's so noticeable. But the thing is that if you keep it at 60 frames a second, it actually feels just as smooth, if not smoother, than it as it is when it's 100 or several hundred frames a second. It's really weird. I know that Ant was talked about this in one of his videos, or in several of his videos. He's mentioned it, and it really does actually. If your game lags a lot, or if you find that you're getting a lot of lag spikes or something, switch it to balanced, because you will hardly ever notice them. It's amazing. Because when you do lose frames, you're only going to lose it by, only a couple frames, unless if you are actually filming yourself, at which point you might be a little bit more noticeable, but it's going to look so much better, believe me. So yeah, I actually really like the balance setting. So yeah, I mean, another thing that I'm actually waiting for this channel, and I actually have been meaning to check this to see if it actually has happened, I want the ability to make it to where I can upload just a bunch of episodes, but have one episode publish each day. So meaning, while I'm asleep, I could have my computer set to just upload, like, let's say 5 episodes of Cave Dwelling. But you're only going to get 1 episode the next day, and then the next day you're going to get the next episode. If you know what I mean, it's going to sort of like put them in a queue and just release them, once a day. So that way I can be a little bit more lenient with it, because when I was, actually doing it, the way that I have been doing it, took so much work. I don't have that kind of motivation to be that dedicated to something like that. So, yeah, that's the other thing. I can never get dedicated into doing anything. Like, it doesn't matter what it is. I lose interest so quickly in a lot of projects, especially if it's like repetitive. Like, I have to do the same tedious process each day, and in my opinion, editing video can be a little bit tedious if done daily. So yeah, that's why I don't do daily videos. And yeah, I do think that this would be good if maybe I could upload a bunch of videos like once a week or something, just to have them go up on the queue, and then they just publish, once a time. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm really waiting for that. When YouTube actually gives that to me, and again, I will actually be checking this to see if they have given this to us, because something tells me they might have. I don't really know. It just kind of feels like they might have. If they have, then we'll actually see about starting it back up. But like I said, it's just a huge time crunch. And I will actually have more time this semester, because I do not have that many academic classes at school, so maybe I will be able to do it. We'll see, though. We shall see. But hopefully I'll be able to do that. So anyways, guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. I'm going to finish up what I am working on in my adventure map, and then I'm going to get this video uploaded. So yeah, at that, hopefully you guys will, if I do decide to post this, because so far I'm liking my current progress and with this adventure map. So far it's pretty cool. I'm liking how it's turning out. It's a little bit, a little bit I did playtest it today. I found it to be way too hard. I've kind of tried to make it a little bit easier. Hopefully that worked. I have not playtested it since I've done that. Still have to work out a few bugs in what I have currently worked on. So yeah, maybe when I fit. What I do is after I finish up a realm, like right now I'm working on the golden realm, once I completely finish the gold realm, that's when I actually will stop working on the map, and then I will go into my Minecraft alias, make a copy of the map, and actually play it as intended. Like, I'll actually go in and play it, like, as if I were a random player playing it. I'll actually go through and play it, see what there is that needs to be worked on, and try and make mental notes in my head. And mental notes are not the best way to do it. I really need to actually take like physical notes, because there's no way I can remember all of it. But I'll try and remember what I need to work on, what I need to fix and such, and then I'll go back into the main version of the map, which is what I'm working on right now, and then I will go in and make those corrections as I remember to. So yeah, I really should consider making like physical notes and such. Anyways, as you can probably tell, it is turning nighttime in Minecraft. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take that as my cue to kill the video. So thanks for watching, and adios.